Hi there everyone, the name is here. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's episode, I'm here to give you my first impressions on Zaharoff Z Creators 2.0, and this one's called Evening Mystique. Now before I begin my first impressions, I'd like to give a shout out to my bro Ross at TLTG Reviews. Definitely check out his channel if you haven't already. He has great content there. So let's jump right into it. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Heard a lot of good stuff about it, so let's just see on the test strip. Wow, the juice is it's beautiful. It's very thick, very rich. Now this one, the oil concentration is 25%, and the perfumer behind this is Claude Deer. So let's try this out and see the smell. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit woody. I get the woodiness, very piney, very aromatic, very pleasant. As it's drying down more and more, I can smell the vetiver. A very clean, dry, but very nice so far. I really like this. I'm gonna try it on the skin first. Also, oh wow. I'm gonna just apply it all over me. Wow. Wow, I really like this one. It smells so good. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. So I'm gonna leave this for about 2 hours, let the fragrance dry down on the test strips and on my skin, and I'm gonna come back, give you my final thoughts on my first impressions on this fragrance. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'm back, so let's see how the dry down smells. Wow, it's definitely got more woodier. Like, I smell the vetiver. You have some sweetness in there, and you get a little bit of smokiness, but it's a very nice one. I think right now as I'm smelling it, it kind of reminds me of a Guerlain vetiver. Just a bit, not too much. But this one is very premium smelling. Smells really nice. Like I could smell the fragrance off me. It's a very high oil concentration, so definitely not spray this on your clothes because it's gonna stain. You could tell by the juice. I really like this one. So like if you're in your vetiver, if you like the note vetiver, you like your woody fragrances, definitely go on the Zaharoff's website and see if they still have Evening Mystique, and definitely order it. It's worth the price, and it's 120 ml, and you can't go wrong with this one. So write down in the comment section below if you tried this new Z Creators Evening Mystique and what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Peace.